And here's I'll show you how to remove someone from your Spotify Wrapped. First of all, let's open my Wrapped. And now here is my Spotify Wrapped. Select a Wrapped style, and now in Spotify, as we can see, here is no option to edit Wrapped. So in order to edit Wrapped, we have to save the Wrapped in our gallery. So tap on share, and here tap on download. The specific Wrapped will be saved in your gallery. Now jump into your gallery, open the Wrapped, and now it's time to edit this Wrapped to remove someone. So currently, as you can see under top artist, here we can see artists are showing. I'm going to remove this last artist from this artist list, and then I will add a different artist. So first of all, let's edit this image in our gallery, and here selecting edit and selecting draw and tapping on this pencil icon and changing the pencil or pen size to 70, for example. Now we have to select our Wrapped background color. So tap on this color picker and just copy or select your Wrapped background color. Now pinch your fingers to zoom in, and now let's remove this artist from my Wrapped. Now let's add a new artist. So selecting here text, and now I'm adding here text, artist name, random text, tapping on done. And if you want to change your text color, select the text, tap on this color box, and now you can go ahead and change your text color. Now just placing this name here, and let's resize this text. If you want, you can also rotate your text as well. So you have to do it very carefully. So once your editing finish, tap on save, and that's it. As you can see, I've successfully edited my Spotify Wrapped. Now you can go ahead and share your edited Wrapped with someone. Thanks for watching.